Yo, JB.
What's good, bro? Good to see you.
I was hoping you was coming.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. Got that 5X zoom on this. All right, y'all. Since we've been in the show, look at that. Levi pointed that out. We walked down and like, hey, it's taller. We got the drop pretty much done.